than fire.
Not kidding me. Careful, Gramps.
That one didn't go, did it?
I think it'll catch up. Yep.
Both of them went.
Yeah, the fume.
Jeez.
That'll get her going, I think.
Getting hot here already.
As people seeing the fire, they'll probably see it least now than if it was dark.
Oh yeah.
You can't see anything
Can't
anymore.
see nothing now with all the trees there.
Starting to get pretty hot.
Gas can out of there. It's getting pretty warm.
It's getting pretty hot. Don't back it up too.
Holy crap. It's so freaking hot. Just for some reference, it has now reached the treetops. I'm guessing the treetops are like 5 or 6 of me stacked on top of each other, probably like 20 to 30 feet high. What if something like this just ignited in your front lawn? How much would that suck?